time goes by so slowly. 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 Time goes by so slowly.
In the beginning, God created heaven and earth, and animals to walk upon it, and man to govern them all. This is the story of creationism.
Wrong.
The subject, evolution. The villain, creationism. Our hero, Dr. Jerry Coyne.
Maybe I'm a dreamer.
Life on Earth evolved gradually, beginning with one primitive species that lived more than 3.5 billion years ago. It then branched out over time, throwing off many new and diverse species.
The side of me should.
How did we move from ocean to land? Fossils like Tiktaalik show the transition between swimming and walking.
Maybe I'm just out of time.
Sexual and natural selection make features important for reproduction and survival more common in a population.
And leave it all behind.
Random mutations can introduce new traits that affect an individual's fitness and proliferate through progeny. And natural selection is the non-random survival of random variants.
So wanna live a better life.
Some species' closest relatives are thousands of miles across the ocean. Biogeography explains how animals migrated across the supercontinent millions of years ago.
Patterns of development in embryogenesis are conserved across species, helping to fill in the link between us and our ancestors.
Maybe I should just give up.
Members of a species separated by a geographical or reproductive barrier can diverge into two different species over many generations.
And maybe it's time to change.
Many different species of hominins, some of whom may be our direct ancestors, help fill in the gap between humans and our common ancestor with chimps.
So why does it feel so wrong to reach for something?
Coyne makes an unassailable case.
In 9 crisp chapters, the respected evolutionary biologist lays out an airtight case that Earth is unspeakably old and that new species evolve from previous ones.
With logic and clarity, Coyne presents the vast trove of scientific evidence that supports Darwin's theory. Pick up a copy today!